Hi YouTube, Tim Unkert from UnkertEducation.com here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install Neovim as an app image on your Chromebook. The advantage of this is that Neovim is going to be in a much more recent version. At the time of this recording, the app image version is 0.9.1 versus the Debian version you can install from the Debian repository, which is 0.4.4. So we're going to get a much more recent version of Neovim, and it's going to be light because it's going to be an app image. Okay, so let's get started. But before we do that, if you like videos where I install software and I show you how to set up and install software, then please subscribe. Okay, so now let's really get started. All right, so I'm going to open up a browser here, and I am going to search for Neovim. Okay, and this website, neovim.io, will come up. I'll click Install Now, and we want to go down here till we find Install from Download, and go to the Releases page. In the Releases page, we can go on down and find this release, Neovim. This is not the pre-development release build, but Neovim 0.9.1. Okay, and if I go down here, I'm going to go scroll on down and find this nvim.app image. I want to download that. Okay, it's going to be in my downloads folder. I'm going to click show in folder. You can just go to your downloads folder. I'm going to right click, cut it, go to my Linux files, and paste it in there. Okay, and all right, so now what I'll do is I'll bring up a terminal, and the first thing that I want to do is change the permissions of the app image. So I'm going to type sudo chmod u+x and then nvim.appimage and hit enter. Okay, and now I want to move it to the user bin directory, and I want to name it just nvim. Okay, so I'm going to do sudo move, and then I'll do nvim.appimage. I hit tab to autocomplete that, and then /usr/bin/nvim and hit enter. Okay, now I want to set up something in my bash aliases file, or I want to create a bash aliases file so that I can have nvim be the alias for this user bin nvim file. Okay, so to do that, I'm going to do this with Vim. I'm going to do vim.bash_aliases, hit enter, and that's going to create a new file. And I'm going to say alias nvim equals, then in quotes, /usr/bin/nvim, and then close my quotes, and then I'm going to write and quit. Okay, close out my terminal, restart my terminal here. Okay, or you could source your bash rc and bash aliases file, but I'll just restart it. And I'm going to type nvim, and there you go. You've got Neovim 0.9.1 installed on your Chromebook. Okay, so that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe. Thank you.